Saturday, November 18. Focus. And will not God give justice to His elect who cry to Him day and night? Anywhere in India, we know the travels where we want a case settled. Countless dates and adjournments, sheer exasperation after every hearing. We wonder when a verdict will be reached. Sadly, injustice is the norm. Corruption at every level of bureaucracy and general apathy. Strong resistance at the grassroots level is missing. It is only when matters go too far that we are shaken out of our stupor. By then, it is often too late. That is why we can commiserate with the widow in today's Gospel. It was her tenacity and untiring persistence that ultimately won her justice. As the Israelites fled from Egypt, many obstacles arose in their path. They were shaken, but God was with them and came to their aid, even making dry land through the Red Sea. Whenever they cried out, God supplied their needs. Whether at work or at the personal level, we too face situations of bullying or abuse in various forms. That is when we should remember the focus. When we approach God with sincerity and persistence, He does come to our aid. In seemingly hopeless situations, He makes a way through. He will heed the cry of His people and show His might. Like the persistent widow, we should never give up. Fruit, whatever the situation, I must remember that God is me.